Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do a story about me going to the water park. Okay, this is my home now. I'm going to the water park. This is a long walk. Okay, let's just go. I really wanna go to this water park. Oh, what's that red thing? I don't get. Oh, that's the Roblox sign. Almost to the water park. Oh my gosh, it's right there. Let's go. Okay, we're finally so close to it. Okay, we're finally here. I'm hungry, so let's get some food first. Let's get some ice cream. Want a vanilla, please? Vanilla, vanilla, vanilla. Welcome to the ice cream shop. I would like one ice cream cone. I said vanilla, but I don't get. Okay, yum 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 yum. Okay, time to go to the water park. Welcome to Roblox Water Park. Hello. Um, I have a question about the slides. Which is the best? Okay, let's go. Oh wait, I need my ticket. Thank you. Oh wow. Okay, let's try. Oh wait, actually I need to change first and get a room. So let's go. Hello, I would like one hotel room. Okay, thank you. Okay, let's go to. She said this one. Let's go in. How do I get it? Okay, I bought my home. Ah, yes. Okay, time to go to the water. Let me out. Okay, time to go to the water park. And wait, first I need to change. What should I wear? This one. Okay, time to go. Wait, I still have my shirt on. Oops. I have this then. Why isn't it showing? Okay, this is my swimsuit. Cause I still like Melody. And these are my swimming shorts. Okay, let's go to the purple slide now. The guy said it was very full. Oh my gosh, it was a hoop. Right, let's get up. Oof, 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 oof. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go on the purple one. Whee! Ah, ah, where's the oop, oop. Ow, 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 ow. Ah, I can't see anything. Whee! That was very fun. Okay, what should I try next? The diving. Smallest to biggest. Okay, first is the green one. Boom. Okay, time for the purple one. Whee! Oop. Okay. Okay, time for the white one. Is this even white? Yep. Oh, oh, we can. Wee! Ah, 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 ah. Okay, what slide should I try? Hmm. What about the red one over there? Okay, let's get up there. Let's go. Girl, you're cutting up the line, but I'm just gonna jump over you. Let's go. Okay, time for the whee! Whee! Oh, it's not much scarier than the other one. What should we try next? Actually, I'm a bit hungry again, so we're gonna go to that area. I wonder what they have. Ooh, okay. Hello. May I see your menu? I want a donut. Yes. It looks like the one on the. Okay, let's eat it. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. It's even going to my eye perfect. Nom 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 and it's gone. Okay. Do you have a drink? Do you have a drink? Do you have a drink? I need a drink. You guys don't serve any drinks. Okay, I'll get a pizza. I like pizza. Where is the green stuff like on the what it says? Okay, okay, let's eat. No, okay, let's go. Oh, it's nighttime. Time to go sleep. They got a floaty. Where did they get the floaty? Oh, there was a floaty there the whole time. Okay, how do you change yourself to normal, please? Oh, we could take a photo. Okay, fine. Okay, I'll get this shirt. These pants. Actually, no. No. Okay, I guess that's good. Wait, what about that one? No. Eh, no. Yeah, nothing happened, guys. I want my normal clothes back. There you go, I got my normal clothes back. Okay, maybe this should be my swimsuit. Okay. I transform my swimsuit into this, okay? So let's go up and sleep now. And wait for the next morning and go play outside again. Where is my room? I didn't close my door. Oh wait, I forgot to close the lights. Oh wait, I'm over here. Okay. Stay tuned for part 2. Bye.